Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're making a Chorizo de Bellota Pizza on the Karma 55 from WPPO. So the first thing that we need to do is light up the pizza oven, and here's how I do that. We're gonna start by placing a couple of smaller sticks of pecan wood in a Lincoln log pattern into the pizza oven. Then we're gonna add a couple of fire starters and light it on fire. When we have a good fire going, we can keep adding wood, and we want to do this until the stone hits a temperature of about 750 degrees. Now when the pizza oven is hot, it's time to start putting together the pizza, and here's how we do that. We're going to build the pizza by stretching the pizza dough, and when we have a good 12-inch thin crust pizza, we're going to add some pizza sauce to the bottom. Then we want to add cheese, and we use a mix of 50% mozzarella and 50% Manchego from Spain. Next, we're gonna add some thinly sliced red onions. Last but not least, we're gonna add some amazing Chorizo de Bellota from Spain that is just packed with flavor. Then we're gonna launch the pizza into the pizza oven, and after about a minute, we're gonna rotate it. And when the pizza is done, we wanna dome it and then remove it. And then this beautiful pizza is ready to serve. And that is how I make my Chorizo de Bellota pizza on the Karma 55 from WPPO. I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And look at that. That looks pretty darn good to me. So here we go. So simple to make, so rich, so flavorful. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.